You ready?
Yes, Mark. Hello.
Sex bomb and luwak. Floating. Pangalan na ano? Ngayon lang din namin.
Take me underwater.
Hi, Mae. Hi. Hey guys! Our tita is here. So pretty, so sexy, so young.
Sex bomb dad.
Sex bomb Pao and sex bomb
Ako po si Sex bomb Rizma.
pangalan. Sex bomb and luwak.
Oh, baby.
Sex bomb Bubbles.
Yeah. Spy on me.
Nakailang takes na, nakapag-rehearse na. Eh, feeling ko ready na kami. Ready na kami, Derek.
Spy on me, baby, you satellite. Every rep you see me move through the night. Wow. Gonna fire, shoot me right. I'm gonna like the way you fight. Sex bomb, sex bomb, you're a sex bomb. Wow. Take me when I need to come along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb.
Ang gagaling ng mga pamangkin ko. Wow. Yan out.
Yeah!
Nakapag-picture ka? Pasimple. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Good job. So sharp.
Mom, help me. Help me. What's that? Mommy, sink me underwater.
Coin in there.
Florin. Aruban Florin.
27 American dollar.
It's so cool. How much is this in the Philippines? How much is this in the
We
Philippines?
used to have a lot of these, We used to have a lot of these when I was in China.
You ready?
Yes, Mark came a lot of these.
I'm back, so you're a child again.
Kaya mo yan, kuya. Kaya mo yung
Hindi
English
tama
mo.
na, yun na, okay na. Stop na ako dun.
Yun na yung the best
yun
mo.
na, todo na yun. Mamaya na ulit ang salita ko. Hello, Papa, maraming ganyan.
Ah, 15 pesos. Uncle, say hi to the vlog.
Ayan, vlog talaga pa, oh.
Send mo mamaya. Send mo mamaya. Send it to me.
I'm
Send
going
it
to
to
post
me.
that in Facebook.
Ano pakiramdam mo nakita mo yung best friend mo ulit?
Well, it's kind of a mix of feelings with, you know, with, oh nga,
My best friend.
why I have to speak English? Yeah, emotion, but I'm glad and I'm very much happy.
Kaya nga, ba't ka nag-English ka kasi?
Okay, tanong mo ulit siya. That's a good question. That's a good question. That's a good question. Ronald, can you help me answer this question?
How many years have you been best friends?
By accident, not incident. Really? We are friends like Iran and Iraq.
Oh.
By accident, not
By
by
ac-
incident, ha? Take note of that.
Take note, take note. For the record.
Aray mo, ba't may video?
May vlog na.
Ayoko na magsalita. Nalimit lang ako eh. Pero ang galing ha. Hindi nagbago talaga yung itsura. Simulan mo
Yeah. And then my nickname is Roy.
Ulyok. That's the worst part of my life. Having a nickname which is Ulyok. 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 Elo, Mark Delon. Pag tinanggal mo yung D, N, Elo.
Yeah.
Ako, Michael Julion. Pag tinanggal mo yung D, tsaka N, Ulyo. Nilagyan ng K sa dulo, kaya naging Ulyok. Kaso ang bago.
Dinami pa yung anak niya. Ulyak.
Ulyak.
No, let Kuya Ulyak explain. You beginning.
No more explanation.
No,
I just want her to have a nickname.
well, I don't have problem with you because I don't recall Ulyok.
They used to call me Ulyok, Palayok, Bulok, Bubulok, Bubok. What's your nickname? Next question, please. And during that time, there is a famous boxer which name is Onyok. Go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Take a wish first before blowing candles.
What's your wish? Go, what's your wish?
What is your wish for your birthday?
Just get $1 million so you can.
Yon!
I'm gonna get $1 million.
Yan. 1 million. Yeah! Yan. 1 million. Dollar.
Now he has $1 million out to the ground.
For just a chance. Now to win your heart. You can set the bar beyond the stars.
Kuya, ang ganda na boses.
I'll do anything.
Ben, sita mo.
Anything you ask me to. I would run through fire just to be by your side. If your heart's on the line, you could take mine. It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you.
yak. Kuya! Kuya, ano yan?
Alan Mom said that she was the one who gave the money.
Oh, yeah.
Sigurado ka na?
Sure ka na kay Enter. Kanina may lahat sit din. Pwede pa magbago isa ka. Pangalan na anak. Ngayon lang din namin na-meet. So, pinsan.
28.
So, sino nakita? Kasi hindi mo isang ikot pa lang, hindi ka na.
May problema ka ba doon? May problema ka ba?
Since you're the only one that matters, tell me who do I run to? Go. Get me wrong, I know there is no tomorrow. All I ask is if this is my last night with you. Hold me like I'm more than just a friend. Give me your memory I can use. Take me by the hand while we do what lovers do. It matters how this ends. Konti lang. What's my